Good morning. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a STL file into the Flashprint software. And this is using a Flashforge 3D printer, although I'm sure some of the software is pretty similar. So the first thing you want to do is obviously open up your Flashprint and come up to this little button up here, which is the model file. Go ahead and click that button to add something. Find the file that you want to add. So let's say I want to do this bookmark holder. It automatically adds it in here, and you want to hit start slicing. Now before you hit start slicing, you want to make sure this is a good position to upload the bookmark holder with, depending on how thin it is. So if it's upright like this and super thin, there's a chance that it could get tipped over. So we're just going to look at and see what it looks like if it's rotated in any which direction. Like we can't do it that way because there's words on the other side, and I didn't see this originally here. So I guess knowing that there is a little lip there, the best way could possibly be the way it was originally uploaded here. So without this, if this wasn't there, then we probably would want to lay it down on its side right here. So anyways, once it is good to go, go ahead and click start slicing, and this will pop up with your settings screen, and you just go ahead and make your settings how you want them, and this is something we can go over in a different video as well. Once it looks good to you, go ahead and click slice, and this button right here is send to printer. Looks like it's still trying to slice it here. All right, and then we just click right here, send to printer, and it sends the GC code to the printer, and you're good to go to start printing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your 3D.